Please get off those lines, get back.
As last-minute preparations get underway for this year's Golden Globes, disaster strikes on the red carpet, with a sprinkler spilling water all over the floor. According to reports, a high-intensity lamp was positioned too close to the sprinkler head, causing it to go off and swamp the carpet in water.
As soon as they turn it off.
Beverly Hills Hilton staff were quickly summoned to mop up the flood, presumably hoping the wayward sprinkler system doesn't have a repeat performance when the A-listers arrive, or there'll be quite the dry cleaning bill.
Okay.